Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of the hashing ad space video. In this video, we will talk about the withdrawal process. So first and foremost, kailangan nyo munang i-verify ang inyong account. The verification process is not for free. As of now, nag-charge sila ng 20 Asimi or $3 or whichever is lower among the two. Pag kulang ang balance nyo, makaka-receive kayo ng error gaya nito. Assuming na meron na kayong enough balance, ito yung step-by-step guide na pinrovide ni Hashing Ad Space para sa account verification. Step 1 is you need to log into your account and click on the account verification under profile. And then, click on the start verification button. May magpa-pop up dyan na KYC verification. KYC means know your client. So dito kayo magsasubmit ng mga ID na kailangan nila. So you need to fill in your email address and then scroll down nyo yung option, yung last na makikita nyo is KYC. So click on that. Ito yung sample ng acceptable picture. So first one, your photo on the ID must be clear and updated. Your name on the document must be readable. Put the document closer to your face and camera for a clearer result. Huwag kayong mag-selfie. If meron kayong kasama sa bahay, magpatulong kayo para kuhanan kayo ng picture. And then, i-rename nyo yung photo with your complete name. And make sure that the selfie document matches the name and date of birth on your account. Syempre, ito yung mga unacceptable. Kapag blurred yung picture, pag yung name is unreadable, and the photo on your document, saka ikaw ay hindi nag-match. And here are the acceptable ID, passport, national ID or yung UMID, and driver's license. After you have uploaded the correct picture, click on the submit button on the support ticket. And then step 5 is submit the verification. Please allow up to 5 working days for your account verification. On another note, kailangan niyong gumawa ng Waves Exchange account para doon kayo makapag-withdraw ng Asimi. Please check the description box below para sa link ng Waves Exchange. Once na nag-load na, just click on Get Started button on the upper right. And then create your password and confirm your password. Tick on the 2 checkboxes and press Continue. And then next, click on Create a new account. Choose your avatar and then Continue. Create your account name. And this will be your dashboard. Scroll down and look for the plus sign. And then search for Asimi. Click on the checkbox and pin. And then from here, dun sa Asimi, mayroong send and receive. Click on receive and then copy the link. Now let's go to your Hashing Ad account. Under Profile, you will be able to see Wallet. Click on that, and then click Add Wallet. And then, i-paste mo dito yung wallet address from Waves Exchange and your secondary PIN. So now na meron ka ng Waves Exchange account, verified na ang iyong account, at nalagay mo na sa wallet address, pwede ka nang makapag-withdraw. As of now, ang minimum withdrawal is $10. Kapag meron ka ng enough Asimi or credit, and then pwede ka nang mag-withdraw. Just go to Transactions, and then click on Wallet, and makikita mo dyan yung balance mo. Just click on Withdraw Funds, and then tatanungin ka dyan kung ilang Asimi yung gusto mong i-withdraw, and you just have to confirm. Magsisend sila ng OTP sa iyong email, and once you put that OTP, and it's successful, then you just have to wait within 5 to 7 days para makredit ang Asimi sa iyong Wave Exchange account. And that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. Please continue your support. See you!